You're not a CEO, you're a digital secretary. I'm Ibrahim Malik, and after 30 years in tech, I realized something insane. I help Fortune 500 companies automate million-dollar processes, but I was still manually checking my own emails like it's 2005. Sound familiar? Spending your morning switching between Gmail, your calendar, your task app. Now I do this. Get my emails from yesterday. Here's your emails. From Sarah, project update ready. Or this, schedule meeting with John tomorrow 2 p.m. Meeting created and invitation sent. My phone became my personal AI assistant, and it takes 30 seconds to build. My clients save 45 minutes daily, zero missed meetings, complete inbox control. This isn't some fancy app, it's a custom system that actually understands you. I built this using AI workflows that connect your Gmail, calendar, and task manager. Natural language processing means you talk to it like a human assistant. Want to create a task? Just say it. Need your schedule? Ask for it. Want to send a professional email? Done. As an AWS AI certified professional, I've automated everything from cloud infrastructures to personal productivity systems. But here's what matters: I can teach you to build this. Ready to stop being your phone secretary? Visit my website for one on one AI automation coaching. I'll show you exactly how to build your personal AI assistant. Link in the description. Let's automate your life.